Okay, here it is, guys. It's been cooking for 5 hours on high. It's fall off the fork tender. Like I said, I'm going to thicken that up with a little cornstarch slurry, all the beautiful juices, and it's going to be put over some egg noodles, we decided. Okay, it smells phenomenal. And I'll show a picture on the egg noodles for you guys. Make a cover shot. Really, really good. Cube steak in the crock pot. Delicious. Move your hand. Hey guys, we're here and we decided to make it go over some egg noodles, and I'll tell you why. Because first of all, I love them. Second of all, it turned out so delicious that I got my string beans. We're gonna have them on the side. Oh, hot, 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 hot. We're gonna have it over the noodles with the string beans, and that's because I cooked it an hour longer. I'm gonna put the exact time in the video description of the live, because I'll show you in a sec. Here's the string beans with a little olive oil, salt, pepper, and garlic. They're delicious. See, this is why I highly recommend them. They are delicious. Ouch. I'm gonna put that here, and I'm gonna put a plate together. I'm going to take some of the noodles, and like I said, let me continue what I was explaining. We're having them on the noodles because they came so tender. It's actually like a stroganoff. Where do you see this, guys? This is Vinny's plate I'm making for him. And it came like a stroganoff, and the good idea is, if you wanted to do this with chopped meat, if you wanted to stay with the cube steak and just let it cook down as far as I have, if you want it to stay bigger and more firm, you would cook it less, obviously. But I like it the way it came. See? Big. I broke it down. They were so tender. They were full steaks, but I broke it down further because I like it like this. Okay? Now it's more of a stroganoff. And I wanted noodles. I got to be honest. Here's the mushroom and the onions. Pour that over. My mouth's watering. I have a problem. I have a serious food problem. My mouth cannot stop watering. And I think that's enough gravy for him, right, Vin? Mm-hmm. Okay. So see now? There you go, guys. That's the cube steak in the crock pot over egg noodles. It's more of a stroganoff because I let it cook a little further. We have our veggie, our string beans with olive oil, salt, pepper, and garlic powder. And he's just going to put a fork in there and enjoy. And I'll include this into the live video so you have the recipe, and I will write the directions as well and the amounts. Thank you for watching the live, and I hope you enjoy this.